Hello guys, welcome to the How to PC channel. My name is Nick and today I'm going to be showing you how to download the Division Resurgence on your PC and start playing it right now. To play this mobile game on your PC, you firstly have to install an Android emulator. For example, you can use LD Player as me or install another one. So in my case, I will use LD Player. So to install it on your device, you have to type in the search box LD Player, then go to their official website. Here you will find the special button. By clicking on it, you will install this Android emulator on your PC. So click on it, and now in the download history, you will find the necessary installer. So just run it and start using. After that, on your desktop, you will see this icon. So just double click on it and run Android emulator. And this is how this application looks like. So it's a virtual phone on your PC or laptop. So you can use it as your phone, just open up Play Store, then download the necessary game in Google Play Store. So in our case, we will install the Division Resurgence. Just open up this page and then click on the install button right here. But as you can see, I've already installed it, so I can click on the play button. Close it. Game is loading. Now we have to wait a bit. And finally, after the installation process, we can start playing the game. So this is how it looks like. Hope my video was helpful for you. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.